look at the satellite pictures across the Atlantic, you can see a huge wedge of cloud. That's continued during the day to slide in from the northwest across central and southern areas of the country, with another area of cloud affecting the north. Both of those are weather fronts. It's a rather complicated scene, so I'll see if I can make it a little simpler for you. Up in the north, there's the first one bringing some showers. Now, most of those will die away overnight. And here's the other main area of rain, moving away from Northern Ireland, across Wales, central areas, down through the southeast and East Anglia. And some wet weather at the moment plunging down through Wales towards central southern England. So it's out in the west, the southwest Wales and the extreme south that we're going to see most of the rain hanging on. But through this evening, we'll begin to see drier weather, now already showing its hand over northern England, just beginning to edge a little further south towards parts of the Eastern Midlands and East Anglia too. And here it may turn just a bit misty later in the night. Those far southern and southwestern areas where we've got all the cloud and rain will remain really mild overnight, but from the northern Midlands northwards, where it will be clearer, well, here we'll find some frosty weather. Temperatures could be as low as -2 with fairly light winds around there. That does mean we could see the threat of some icy roads. It's going to mean a cold start in the morning in those areas too. And very gradually through the day we'll see those temperatures rising. In fact, they'll keep rising well on in towards the evening, but it'll take some time. It's going to be another cold day in the northeast of Scotland. The change to milder weather pushing in from the west, though, behind this weather front here. If we take a look over the British picture, we can see that as it moves in, begins to bring the rain back in to Northern Ireland, the west of England and Wales and Scotland too. Much as today, just for a short time as it edges in, could see a few flakes of wet snow and little sleety weather. Some wet snow over the parts of the high ground in northern England too, but most of the snow will be up over the high ground of Scotland and in the northeast of Scotland at low levels later on. Starting off bright in eastern areas, that cloud and mostly wet weather moving in from the west. Pretty chilly up in the northeast, but those milder conditions pushing into the west especially, temperatures into double figures in the